Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's Jake. We're back with a brand new video. No close-ups today because it's bloody hot up here and I don't have a fan in here anymore. So, you might have guessed, because you've seen the thumbnail, whatever it's gonna be, I don't know as of recording this, that we're doing an unboxing. And by unboxing I mean we have a lot of stuff in store. Actually, I'm not gonna do this one today. Hey, put that away. So we got we're building up Kinder eggs. We're gonna do something really dumb with Kinder eggs. But I went on vacation recently. Well, I say vacation, but it really was a vacation. I went to the New York State Fair. But I was there. We stayed overnight. We stayed like 2 days there. There's something fun to do. But we went to this drugstore for whatever reason, and I got these. And you can probably tell right away that because it's my channel, they're Jurassic World stuff. But they're like packaged Jurassic World minis, pretty much. But I don't really know what these are because I've never seen these before ever. So we're gonna open them. I only got two. They had a couple, but I only got two. If I can figure out how to open it. I don't have scissors. I've got the unboxing knife, and I pray to God I'm not stabbing into the figure. So these are like blind bags. Actually, I'll open them both first because we're gonna do both. And no, this is not the whole video. Don't worry, it's not the whole thing. So let's start with this one. See what we got. Oh, that's kind of cool. I like that. That's nice. So we finally have a Pteranodon. That's stiff, but they're both supposed to flap. This ball joint is. Okay, there we go. There we go. Just had to break it a little. So the wings flap. It's just got nice coloring. I wish the head wasn't in its weird position, but it is. So yeah, we'll get close-ups of that in a minute, but I like it. It's a cute little dinosaur toy. And then we got the collector. Oh, are these phase 3? No, they're not. Whatever they are, I've never seen them. Oh, you can get Irritator in this set. Oh, this might be Camp Cretaceous. Yeah. Yeah, this is 100% Camp Cretaceous because it's got Carnotaurus listed as the Toro. So, wow, Jesus, bloody hell! We got a Brachiosaurus. Whew. Head moves up and down too. Just moves side to side. Ooh. Bloody hell, this thing's huge. This is massive for a little toy like this. This is big. This is my new favorite thing. So yeah, we got those out of the way. I'll do close-ups again, but that was nice. But I think Rexy is a little bit more interesting. This is Extreme Damage Tyrannosaurus Rex. And not a lot of good stuff on the back, pretty much. Let's get it open first. If I can figure out how.
Of course they bolted your feet down. Why wouldn't they? Why wouldn't they? Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? Hey, what do you got tape? Don't think so, so we over there. And just, yeah. Any collectors out there who are hoping to save any boxes from Jurassic World stuff? Not gonna happen. Ever. Hey, they got the back. Yeah, that might place it on the knife. Let's find out. Stab it. Whoop, I gotta stab it. There we go.
Okay, put the knife away because we don't need that. So let's look at the tail. No, but look at the tail on the T-Rex. Which way it's supposed to be? Because once this thing is in, it won't be coming out. I think this is it. Oh, okay, so it doesn't matter anyway because of the ball joint. I really have absolutely no idea which way this is supposed to go. There we go. It's supposed to go this way. Yeah. The feet, of course, spin for whatever reason. Damage. Oh, wow. Whew, they got a lot of articulation. Looks like it's wearing a turtleneck. Anyway, nothing too much to write home about on the articulation on the hands and stuff. It's basically the same thing as usual. The legs, ooh, the legs do move. Oh, they snap too, so that's good. Both legs move, right? Okay, both legs move. So, the reason why it's called, actually, let's get the, Jesus, I gotta put oil on that. Let's get the QR thing out the way. There you go, you can have this specific T-Rex in your park. Today. And there's a little button up here that you hit, and you get extreme damage. And for whatever reason, it's on both sides. But hey, I like these cuts. They're kind of cool. Don't really like the fact that it has cuts, but they're cool cuts. Code cuts. So the top and bottom jaw actually move. So, like, this is like a normal, like, mouth open. And then you can, like, King Kong the top of the head. For whatever reason, like, hello. Yeah, you can, like, King Kong the top of the head for whatever reason. But I imagine it's because some little kid's gonna want to go like this. But yeah. So that's we got nice articulation points in the head here too. So you can go. So it's gonna go with quite a lot of stress. Go for a lot of damage, because it is extreme damage. The paint is really good because, again, well, first off, let's just state the obvious fact in the room is that for whatever reason the gray just ends. Like, I was about to give it a compliment and be like, oh, it looks more like the one from '93, Rexian Prime. But now looking at it, I'm like, why the hell does this stop? Also, the tail, some kid's gonna bite this off. 100%. Some kid is gonna bite this off because this is rubber. If the whole thing was rubber, it'd be more excusable. The teeth are rubber, so is like the inside of the mouth. But I don't know. Hasbro did this, Mattel. Come on, what you doing? But yeah, I think that concludes it. Will it show up on camera if I just? No. Wait, does it stand? We have to check if it stands. Damn it. Beautiful, beautiful, perfect. The Brachiosaurus is still my favorite. So, we're gonna end it here. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, consider subscribing, hit the bell to get notifications when the latest video comes out. And I will, leave a comment saying hi, or if I've asked you to comment anything else in the video. And I will see you all later. I'm gonna go watch Jurassic World Dominion. Bye-bye.